Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Discord already signed in. Click the gear icon next to your avatar to open user settings. This takes you straight to the configuration area. Once inside, look in app settings for the language entry. It's usually near appearance and voice and video. Make sure you're in the main user settings, not a server settings panel. If the app is small, expand the sidebar. Otherwise, use the search box at the top to jump directly to language. Once you've found language, open the drop-down and scan the list. You can type part of the language name to filter quickly and use arrow keys to move through options. Select the language you want and watch the interface update immediately. Discord swaps most strings live, which helps you confirm the change. If a download or restart is required, the app will prompt you. Make sure any unsaved messages are saved before restarting, since some updates may reload the client. Finish by restarting Discord when asked, and then scan key screens, servers, direct messages, and settings to ensure the new language applied everywhere. If you see mixed languages, clear the app cache or update to the latest version. Mismatched strings often stem from an outdated client. Once done, if problems persist, switch temporarily to a different language and back, or reinstall the app. That forces a fresh resource load and usually resolves lingering translation glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.